Host. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Mini Drone versus the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both of these drones offer unique features and capabilities, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Host. Let's start with the price. The Mini Drone comes in at a budget-friendly price of $69, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is priced at $199. It's clear that there is a significant price difference between the two. Now let's see what you get for your money. Host. When it comes to the camera, both drones offer impressive capabilities. The Mini Drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone takes it up a notch with a 4K 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, providing a broader shooting range and breathtaking field of view. It's clear that the Brushless Motor Drone offers superior camera quality. Host. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries that offer a total flight time of up to 18 to 21 minutes. In contrast, the Brushless Motor Drone comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries and boasts an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes. If you're looking for longer flights, the Brushless Motor Drone takes the lead in this category. Host. Now let's talk about control and features. The Mini Drone offers three control modes: remote controller, app control, and voice control. With the app control, you can experience gravity sense mode, altitude hold mode, and headless mode. It's a great option for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone also offers various functions including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, and more. It provides a 360-degree obstacle avoidance feature, making it suitable for both beginners and skilled players. Host. Safety is a top priority when it comes to drones. The Mini Drone features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. The Brushless Motor Drone, with its brushless motors and optical flow positioning, offers stable height and strong wind resistance capabilities. Both drones have safety measures in place, but the Brushless Motor Drone's advanced technology gives it an edge in this category. Host. Now let's take a look at what customers are saying about these drones. Host. And there you have it, the Mini Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera compared side by side. Each drone has its own strengths and features that cater to different needs. If you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, the Mini Drone offers great value for the price. However, if you're a photography enthusiast or a skilled player looking for advanced capabilities, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is the way to go. Host. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.